Hi and welcome back to the UltimateAppMaker.com. In this video here I'm going to quickly show you how to publish an Android app once you're finalized it and it's ready to go. So what we want to do, let's go to the app software here and we want to mess around with the Android app here. So let's go click on this one, Fast Food Test Android. Okay, and in the last video I showed you how to preview the app, how to install the preview onto your phone and how to preview the app. Now let's say everything's ready to go, we're finalized, let's ready to publish. Okay, so let's click on this ready to publish option here. Okay, it's going to take us to this screen here. We got a couple different options: validate app, edit app, XML, or we can start submission. Let's just go start submission. Okay, what's great about this is if there's any errors or anything that we missed along the line here that we're going to have problems with later on in the app, it's going to tell us. So we can see here we're missing a Google Maps API key. Okay, this is probably for the locations. What we're going to do, let's actually just delete this page for this example, but if we wanted to actually change and insert the API key, click on this link. It's going to take you right to the API section, and you can see right here, Google Maps API key. Okay, you can just enter your key here. There's a couple links here how to actually obtain the API key, but for this example, like I said, let's just go ahead and delete this page. So let's click done. We want to go back to edit this app, so right here in this section, right above start submission process, back to edit app. Click on that. Okay, now I would assume, like I said, where the map section is, we got contact, cart, shop, locations. Probably this locations button right here. Let's click on it. Yeah, this is the map section here. So let's go to edit pages and let's quickly just delete this locations page. So we've got locations here, and again, hit this negative button. It's going to delete locations. Okay, perfect. So now we can go ahead and we can publish this app. So again, ready to publish, start submission process, and here we go, error is gone. So we got two different options. We got one, instant build. This is going to actually ready to give you the file. And what will happen is you'll be sent the file within an hour, just email you the link, and you can download the app and you can actually start uploading this into the Google Play Store. While you're waiting, you can actually start going into your Google Play account and start putting in your photos, putting in the icon. By the time you're done doing the description, doing all that information, the app will be ready. You can actually upload that APK file. Okay, so build and publish. So build and publish means there's an option to actually publish this under our account. Now we don't recommend this because there is a lot of, we do have a strict policy and guidelines of what we need to be for submission process above and beyond what Google does. Because there's a risk of our account getting suspended and blocked, we do have really tight guidelines whether we want to app publish our account or not. So I don't recommend this route. Definitely create your own account here, but just in case you don't have the option, we can do this under our account. It takes about 2 business days to get this going. We'll basically check out the app, do a quick review on it, let you know if there's any changes that need to be made, and if it's good to go, we'll publish it under our account. In this example, let's just go instant build. Okay, click on next. And from here, we need to just insert all the different options. Okay, again, you're going to get the errors at the top here. And what the problem is we don't have 48 by 48 pixel here. So here we like I said, we got the different options here. We've got splash screen if you want to change the splash screen. This icon 144 by 144. This is just for different size devices. Okay, so let's just change this really quick here. Just choose from gallery and let's go with the house. And most of the time you're going to be able to just we'll go resize and save. You'll be able to upload your own image. So if you go to change, you click on upload image and you're good to go to upload your own icon. Make sure that it's 48 by 48. Okay, we hit save. I would recommend going with, we want push notifications enabled. That way you're always going to have them. So we go enabled. And then here we just got a bunch of different options. If you want phone gap permissions, if you need these, make sure you check these different boxes here. We don't need any for this example. Take pictures and video record. Read through these and see what you need for your app. We don't need any of this stuff for this example, so we're just going to hit next. And again, we've got the option here to to change the version code. So you can see version name number 1, version number code number 1. So once you do a different update, you're going to need to change this. So there's examples in the description here above just to kind of give you an idea of what you need to do. But let's say we do an update. We just go version 2.0 or version 1.1, version 1.2 for the second one, version 1.3. You can make this whatever you want. Okay, you can go, see an example here, 1.0 or 2.1. So you got lots of different options. If you do a big overhaul, that's when I would probably go from 1 to 2, like a design change. If you're just doing little features here and there, just go 1.1, 1.2, and that way people know, whether it's a big overhaul or whether it's just just something small. Okay, so we'll go 1.0, application name. So this is what's going to be displayed under the application icon. So if this is going to be a business name, make sure you put the business name. So let's just go fast restaurant. Okay, here's an example. Application package name. It must be the form of this here, .com, sorry, not .com, just com.yoursite.appname. Okay, so your site is our username. Okay. And the app name can be anything. So let's go fast restaurant. And it has to be all lowercase. Okay, now we want to make sure that this enable resource synchronization, well, you don't have to make sure, but it makes it easier so that if you do any changes live in the system, it'll actually synchronize right into the app. So you don't actually necessarily have to upload a new app every single time. Okay, enable apps rotation. This is going to be for if somebody turns their phone to the side, do you want it to go lengthwise that way? Or do you want to keep it all the same? So if you do have two different versions there, there's going to be a video kind of talking about this. We'll have a training video for that, but that's what this is for. So if you want it to always be up and down vertically, keep this unclicked. If you want it to switch to horizontal, you're going to need to enable this here. Okay, so let's hit submit. And that's it. So we've successfully requested a build of the app. We'll receive an automated email with a link to it, build the app file. Okay, so we just hit done. And we're good to go. So we should get this file here within an hour, and then you'll be good to go for uploading this onto the Android store, the Play Store. If you have any questions or have any issues, feel free to give us a contact at support. Feel free to send us a support ticket.